Hello everyone. Let us discuss an important topic today regarding your preparation strategy for GATE examination preparation strategy. Let's have summarize in some beautiful way so that it will be convenient for you to use in your daily life and have a good output out of it. So the most important point why we are going to write the GATE examination. This is because that it will give us the a overall good grip in the subject, and after preparation this examination you are good enough to you accommodate yourself in any organization, either a government or in a private sector. Wherever you go you will give a good impact in every organization, because you will get a good uh, grip of the knowledge. Apart from that, you will also have your masters in IITs or NITs, or you may got a opportunity in PYQs. So it will be a good beneficiary of it for you. So there are few most important points what I am going to discuss today. These are that like significance why you are going for preparation, because you are getting admission into that IIT, NIT and PSUs. Apart from that, is success is the most important area. That means is provide you the knowledge, basic knowledge, but we will definitely get into success. Now let us start one by one how you will prepare and what are the strategic approach to get a very good score in the GATE examination. The one of the most easiest way to begin with this topic and to score the highest level, this is one subject at a time. Choose any one of this subject and try to go through the entire syllabus and the fundamental, try to clear the fundamental, what are the fundamental area you need to have the fundamental concept clear. It will be helpful for you for attempting the examination in the recent year, means in the year 2025 GATE examination are only said based on the experience, means based on the knowledge, based on the means fundamental knowledge you have. Because if you see the GATE examiner, what they are looking for, they are looking for a person who is in the third year of his engineering or final year of his engineering. Along with that, someone who already passed out from the engineering college and already in a government job or in any kind of job. So he is trying to pursue his further studies, or he is not satisfied with present job, so he would like to have a different job. So for that point of view, he or she might be looking for appearing to the GATE examination. For in the overall context, if you see, then you will easily realize that this is a totally a matter of those who are having fundamental clear. They will easily get a good score. So do one thing, take a subject one by one subject and a realistic timetable based, okay, and subject, break the subject in a very small and fragment basic so that you can easily attempt and clear that topic. After having this knowledge, after having the acquire the adequate knowledge, then after try to prepare or try to attempt the PYQs so that you can understand what are the exam pattern and what type of question they are asking, whether you are able to solve these questions. If you are not unable to solve the question, what are the problem you are facing, how you are going to implement it. So this will be clear. So try to initially focus on the last 10 year, then after try to complete the entire PYQ, because PYQ is the only area which you will understand the level, because in every subject, every topic, there is below the GATE standard question you will find, you will above the GATE standard you will also find. So to understand the GATE examination in a very clear way, so you have to have a very understandable approach, that yes, I gone through the entire topic, I have tried and means I have tried the PYQs and attempt the PYQs, I have clarified my doubt, I have clear what are the doubt that I face while solving the PYQs. It will be really helpful for you. So PYQs is important, and by analyzing this solution, by analyzing this PYQ, you will understand what are the strength and weakness you have, how to implement the concept, how to implement the theories. Now in the MSQ question, multiple answer type question, then this is really important to have a good grip on the subject. Apart from that, effective revision, how you revise. This is a simple technique. As take a subject 1, after completing all the important element and all the fundamental element in the subject or topic, try to summarize the entire topic in a single paper, in a single sheet. Take a A4 sheet and try to summarize the syllabus of the topic in a single sheet. And after summarizing, conscious note, make a conscious note and summarize, so that while revision, when you are going to revise it entire, you no need to go through the entire note you are prepared or entire note you are taken from your coaching center or anywhere, or your friends or your colleague, anywhere you are getting. But if you have a conscious or summary note, you will go through the entire note and you have give your all the necessary input in the single page, so that it will be helpful for you during the before the means your examination period. So this is the strategy. Then after a conceptual understanding, but we memorize. As I earlier mentioned, that this is a fundamental principle they will ask. So don't be try to memorize everything. You can memorize something based on your requirement, but I think you have to understand the fundamentals so that you can answer. Okay, and then you have to go for the test series in every year. In various there are various coaching institutes where you will find the test series, and go for the test series and attempt, so that you will understand what are the competition in the outside and where you stand. You can understand where you are standing, so that you can know where to improve. What are the point, whether you are whether your score in the aptitude is less, whether your score in the mathematics is less. So that's how you can understand. So you must appear for the GATE test series and side by side practice PYQs. Then by which test series and PYQ will give you a clarity about your concept, whether your concept is clear or not. And while attempting the test series, when the full length test series you are attempting, at that time only you will understand whether you have able to memorize, or you are able to understand the concept. So that's the important thing. To PYQ along with that test series is important. Then one additional point is start early. Now if I consider that today we are in the February of 2026, so in the next upcoming year 2020, so that's the point. If you start early, then you can without stress you can finish the syllabus. Along with that, you can prepare for your summarized note, and you will practice yourself. You will revise all the PYQs, and also give ample amount of time to give the various tests in the various coaching institute. And last but not the least, your self-discipline, your own strategy, your own requirement, your continuous effort, and your structured way of approaching is the best approach to for this your preparation. Because in every individual there are some criteria or some requirement. A person who is working somewhere, he or she might looking for that whether this examination will helpful for them. So for that point of view, they might looking for, okay, they will go for MTech program. They will just looking for any score, so that they will go for MTech. But someone maybe there who is looking for a PSU, for them highest means a good score is required. So based on your personal requirement, your personal strategy must be there, so that it can be achievable. Always remember, achievable, doable, and whether it is flexible. You take a target that, okay, I will score around 80 mark. Whether it is achievable, whether you have a good grip on your basic areas, how long it will take to grip on the basic area. Okay, So whether your mathematics, whether your aptitude is also already in the good shape or not. So this is also important. Although in the gate examination the mathematics and the means your aptitude is not that much of tough level. If you see in the past, recent past also, the gate examination, the aptitude was quite easy, the mathematics is also quite easy. If you come someone who only go through the matrices and limit integration, then there's Simpson one third and the trapezoidal rules. This simple topic is repeated every year. In case of the aptitude, the basic aptitude are every year asked, that time management, time and clock, work and means manpower. This kind of question are there. They are generally asked. So aptitude, your technical skill, and one bonus point what I would like to add, you must have the patience. You must have that patience to read all the important areas, all the PYQs, all the test series, so that it will be give you a boost. Most important, the confidence to get a good score. And you must know how to read a question in a very short period of time, and you have to understand. Most of the students, what I observe, they read the same question in a several times, 2 or 3 times. After reading 3 times, they understand the question. Why it is so? Because lack of practice. You have to practice a lot. And most important, while you are attending your PYQs, try to note down your individual time. What are the time you are taking to give a answer to a particular question in a PYQ. As I said, 2 mark question or a 1 mark question. In every time, you have to note down the time you are taking. Most of the time, what it was observed, that students know what are the steps to follow to attempt a question, but they are not having that much of speed. They don't know how to manage their time, how to manage this 3 hour time. So for that point of view, they are lacking. They are scoring their score not up to the mark what they are deserve. So your skill along with your time management, this is important. Your self discipline, your strategy, individual strategy, you must prepare an individual strategy. But most importantly, start in the early stage, it will be beneficial for you. And these are the most important criteria you must try to follow, and I wish all of you will get a very good score in your upcoming exam. And your desired institute or your desired PSU is really waiting for you. Your hard work will definitely help you to reach there. So give your best, and whatever the step by step what I have already discussed with you, let me summarize for you so that it will be helpful. While you are preparing, you must have an individual goal set. I am looking for 80 mark, I am looking for 60 mark, I am looking for 65 mark. So what is the logic? You must have that logic. Based on that, you have to prepare. That's the first one. The second one is, if you have this, you will have a very good knowledge in the subject along with the aptitude math, so that wherever you go, whether you do government or private or an institute or research, every area you will have a very good knowledge, so that you will contribute something to the society, to the field what you are looking for. Then try to start individual subject, and the subject must have a short summary note. Practice your PYQs, and while practicing a PYQ, find out what are the pattern they are asking, what are the topic they are asking, what are the areas important, emphasize in every year. So this is important. And then the effective revision strategy means your revision cautious note or a summary sheet. Try to make a summary sheet, okay, for individual subject, and try to summarize everything in the entire your engineering means 70 mark within not more than 35 pages. Okay, then your mathematics, your aptitude is there. Then after, try to understand compared to memorize. Yes, there are some few things which you need to memorize, although try to understand what are there. And start early, and be self-disciplined, and be focused, That's it. That will really helpful for you to your further a very good score. I'm wishing all of you a very good score for your upcoming 8 examination, and thank you. Good luck.